Hare Krishna, everybody. Welcome to the class.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. How's everybody doing? Can you please give me water? Thank
Good
you.
Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Hope everybody is enjoying their weekend. Okay, thank you all so much for joining. Let's quickly start with our prayers, okay? Om Ajnanathimirantasya Jnananjanashalakaya Chakshurunmilitam
Tasmai Shri
Gurave Namaha Shri Chaitanya Manobishtam Swayam Rupa Kadamahyam Dadati Swapadantikam Vandeham Yutapalakamalam
Sadhvaitam sadhutam parijana sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padan Sahakalita Shri
Vishakhanvitamscha Hey
Krishna
Krishna
Karuna Sindhu Deen Bandhu Jagatpate Gopeshu Gopika Kante Radha Kanto Namostute
Kanchana Gaurangi Radheshwari Vrishabhanu Sute Devi
Pranami Hari Priye Mantrakalpatarubhishya Kripa Sindhu Vevacha Aditana Bhavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namah Namo
Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale
Bhaktivedanta Swaminiti Namine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesi Shunyavad Ashakate Shakarine
Chaitanya Prabhu
Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaur Bhaktavinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Srila Prabhupada ki jai, Srila Gurudev ki jai, all little Vaishnav children ki jai. So welcome Bhavya, Gauranga, Krishna, Haridas, Nitai. Happy to see you, Nitai. Aradhita, Shyam, Subhadra, Giridhari, Sai Veda, Garima, Avni. Welcome all of you. Happy to have all of you. And Subhadra and Giridhari.
Hare Krishna Mataji, can I show you something?
Yes, quickly. Yes.
Okay, quickly, I'll do.
Yes, let me see. Let me make you spotlight.
I'm
Okay?
doing Radharani, like I was
So
working.
beautiful. Where did you draw that?
Asta Mataji was showing Radharani, so we took a picture and I took a screenshot and I draw this.
Show me
Like
again.
Radharani.
You're very, very good at drawing. You drew by yourself? Nobody helped
Yes,
you?
Mataji.
Mataji, actually, my brother was sketching it. Then my mom said that you have to do it lightly, not darkly.
Sorry.
Yes,
Mataji.
no, it is very beautiful. I think it's Mayapur Radharani.
Yeah.
Yes, I saw it. Yes, it is very beautiful. Krishna has blessed you with a very amazing talent, Giridhari. Always use it in the service of Krishna. Okay, beta?
Okay, Mataji.
Wonderful. So let's go on our chapter number 13. Can someone tell me what verse we were at?
Mataji, we were in verse 15. We are now studying verse
15. Yes, 15 and 16. Garima, come on, beta.
Yeah, going.
Okay. Okay, sorry about that. So, thank you all for bearing so many times because I have a little one and he is very, very naughty. So, verse number 15, let's see what Krishna is saying. Sarvendriya gunabhasam sarvendriya vivarjitam asaktam sarva bhrichaiva Nirgunam gunabhoktra cha. Sarva. Sarva means of all. Sarva indriya, senses. Now what Krishna is saying here, the super soul, the Paramatma sitting in our heart, is the original source of all senses. Right? Last time we discussed, can we raise our this finger without his permission in our body? Can we do anything without his permission, without his presence? He has given all the senses, right? Yet he is without senses. Now, is it acceptable to say he is without senses? So does that mean Krishna is not a person? That means he does not have any sense organs. But last shloka we learned something, right? Sarvatah pani padam tat. Everywhere are his legs. Everywhere are his hands. Everywhere is his head, eyes, right? Ears, everything. But this shloka.
Mataji, you're muted.
Oh, sorry. So, but this shloka, what is saying? He is without senses. So here he is saying he is without sense. That means he don't have sense organs, right? But the previous verse it is said he has so many everywhere, right? So where there is a conflict, what does it mean? It means that our senses are actually material senses. But Krishna does not have material senses like us.
Spiritual sense.
Right? He has spiritual senses. And that is the reason why his senses can reach everywhere, right? He can come and eat cupcake from Soumya's hand, and he can come and eat khichdi at Haridas' house, right? He can come and eat some pani puri at Avani's house, and he can come and eat some dry fruit at Garima's house, right? So he does not have material senses like we do, right? What kind of senses he has? Spiritual senses. And what else? He is unattached, right? So when we all live together, are you all attached to your family? Now, suppose you all create a Lego, right? Which I have always seen, especially boys, girls also, when they are small, they create Play-Dohs, Legos, and a lot of things they create, right? Now, when you create all this, you work very hard. And if someone comes and breaks it, how is your reaction? You say, it's okay, no problem, it's fine. Is your reaction like this? Very nice reaction. It's okay. It's all good. No, even though on your face, you might say, it's okay. But inside your heart, you'll be burning, right? My goodness, I took 1 week to make these Legos out of 300 pieces. And this boy or girl came and broke my Lego. How dare? Who brought that naughty children here, right? That means you are attached to that Lego. Everybody is attached. I'm attached to my house. I'm attached to my kitchen. I'm attached to everything, right? But so when we create something, we are attached. But Krishna, he created 14 planetary systems. Okay, and not in one universe, millions of such universes he creates, right? But he's not attached. Do you all understand?
Because
he is not attached, right?
Because he has a spiritual world to be attached to.
Although he is the maintainer of all living beings, but he's not attached. He transcends. He's nirguna, right? Nirguna means what? We are all affected by gunas. Gunas means 3 modes of material nature. But the Lord is nirguna. He is not attached or affected by these 3 modes of material nature. He is transcendent. He is transcendental to 3 modes. And he is a master of all the modes of material nature. That is called as nirguna. Right? So, yes, beta. Who is it?
Sorry to interrupt. Sorry.
Yeah, Giridhari.
I was
What,
saying
beta?
that Krishna is attached to his devotees, and the devotees is attached to Krishna.
Yes, that is true.
puzzle. Yeah.
Yes, he is. And indirectly he says so many times, right, that I'm actually a servant of my own devotees. I'm always in their heart. I'm always protecting them. Yes, but materially, Giridhari, Krishna is completely renunciated. Renunciated means he's not really attached to anybody. Of course, yes, devotees, what you said is right, But when we talk about a deep attachment, Krishna is renunciated. Like, let's take an example. Then gopis were telling gopis, huh?
Like right now, Garima and Krishna are playing, and me and I also play. So
They are playing what?
I'm attached to playing because
Yes.
I always play.
Yes, you are attached to playing. That's what you're saying, right?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. Yes, like, you know, Radharani and gopis, right? They were requesting Krishna not to leave Vrindavan, right? Not to leave the Gokul and then go to
But he
Mathura.
was not attached.
But Krishna had to leave, right? So that is the renunciated, right? He's not materially attached, but of course inside his heart he was always missing Radharani. He was always missing gopis, and that's how, remember, the whole pastime of Jagannath, Baldev, Subhadra Devi comes, how they manifest in the form of Jagannath, Baldev, Subhadra Devi. But yeah, in the terms of material world, we'll say he is unattached.
Mataji,
So Sheila, yes.
I was listening to Nitai Sevni Mataji, and she was telling them about Jagannath and Baladev and Subhadra and how they manifested, and I stopped at that point.
Yes, but you saw how he was talking about, like, he was listening to the whole story by Rohini mother, right? Mother Rohini, right? And then he went into ecstasy, right? Right? So yeah, but he's unattached. That's what we say. So Srila Prabhupada explains here very beautifully that Krishna has eyes. Otherwise, how could he see? He sees everything. But what does he see? Are you all seeing me right now?
Yes.
Yes. Are you all seeing 100 different things at the same time?
No.
Maybe only your surroundings, right? Nothing more than that. But Krishna,
I can't see my upstairs
but
right
Krishna
now.
can see our past, present, and future. That is the spiritual senses. Understand? Do we all have that sense? No, right? Krishna lives in every entity,
No,
right?
Mataji,
Every entity.
everyone who are in the spiritual world, they can see 100 things in one and at a time.
Well, see, the people, I wouldn't say people, like the souls who are in spiritual world, they have special, I don't know what word to use, but they have special blessings of Krishna. Qualities that they can be at certain places. At the same time, they can be at a different places for service of Krishna. But again, that is also on, it applies on particular souls. Again, it all depends, you know. I wouldn't go very deep in it, but yeah, we are in material world, Haridas. We are completely contaminated. It's like this. Suppose you take an apple and you dip it in the chocolate syrup, right? Now, when the chocolate syrup dries up, now we call it a candied apple, right? Now, when you eat apple, would you taste the actual taste of apple? No, you will actually taste chocolate and apple. So neither is a chocolate nor it's apple. So we will say, oh, apple is contaminated by chocolate. Okay, some people may like the taste, some people may not like it, right? So similarly, our soul is actually pure, right? Because soul is a servant of Krishna, but we are in material world. That's why we are contaminated, right? Our senses are limited also. Yeah. So I gave you all one example of eyes. Similarly, ears and all the senses. Krishna has all the spiritual senses. Verse number 16. Bahirantascha bhutanam acharam charameva cha sukshmatva tad avigyeyam durastham chantike chatat. Very beautiful shloka. So what here saying Bahir means? Bahir Narsinga Hridaye Narsinga Bahir, outside. Anta means inside, right? Bhutanam, all living entities. So Krishna is the supreme truth, exists outside and inside of living entities. He's inside and outside. Then Acharam Charam. I think which shloka had this Acharam Charam? Chapter 10. Can someone tell me what do you mean by Acharam and Charam?
Charam is feet. And
no, that's Charana. This is Charam. Charam means movable.
Oh yeah,
Acharam is non.
And achara means non-movable, right? Chara, achara. So Krishna is in moving and non-moving, right? Right? Plants are moving? No, but Krishna is there in their heart? Yes. There are mountains, right? Are they moving? No, but Krishna is there, right? And there are moving. So Krishna is in moving and non-moving because he is subtle. He is beyond the power of the material senses to see or to know. Although far, far away, he is also near to all. So here Srila Prabhupada very beautifully explains here that Krishna is present in both spiritual and material world. But actually, if you all think about it, that the Narayan, the Supreme Person, he is everywhere. But Krishna in Goloka, he is doing his leelas, he is enjoying his pastimes over there, right? But at the same time, he's so far in a whole different planet, right? Can we all go there even by airplane? No, right? It is so far. He's so far. But he's still so near to us because he's right there in all of your heart. Right? He's right there. So he's very near to us also. Krishna is far, but Krishna is near also. But how do we see him? This is what Krishna is saying, that because he is subtle, he is beyond the power of material senses to see or to know. With these material eyes, we cannot see Krishna, right? And this, what is that, Garima? Brahma Samhita. Brahma Samhita, there is a beautiful shloka, right? No. Premanjana Churita Bhakti Vilochanena Santaiva Sadhu. I still don't remember. What does that mean? The one. Govindadi Purusham Tamaham Bhajami. So Premanjana Churita Bhakti Vilochanena, those whose eyes are anointed with the mascara of love, only they can see the Lord. Those who have love in their eyes, right? Love for Krishna, right? So we all, when we become pure souls, when we are no more conditioned by this material world, we can also see Krishna face to face. Srila Prabhupada says that when you do devotional service, follow the whole procedure very properly, one day you can see Krishna face to face.
Like Prabhupada
Okay.
used to see Krishna face to face.
Yes, Prabhupada used to see Krishna face to face. Yes. So he can be seen and understood only by devotional service, no other way. So that is what is the meaning of verse number 16. So let's go for recitation. Okay. Verse number 15. Sarvendriya Gunabhasam Sarvendriya Gunabhasam Sarvendriya Gunabhasam Sarvendriya Gunabhasam Sarvendriya Gunabhasam Sarvendriya Vivarjitam Sarvendriya Vivarjitam Sarvendriya Vivarjitam Asaktam
Krishna conscious.
Sarva. I'm going to join you, okay? Bhrishaiva Asaktam Sarva Bhrishaiva. You see, Bhrij has C ending and Chaiva has C beginning. When you combine two C, it will still sound like Ch, right? Asaktam Sarva Bhrishaiva Asaktam Sarva Bhrishaiva Asaktam Sarva Bhrishaiva Asaktam Sarva Bhrishaiva निर्गुणं
निर्गुणं
गुणभोक्तृ च
गुणभोक्तृ च
भोक्तृ च
भोक्तृ च
भोक्तृ च
भोक्तृ च
भोक्तृ च
भोक्तृ च
गुणभोक्तृ च
गुणभोक्तृ
One
च
minute. निर्गुणं गुणभोक्तृ च
निर्गुणं गुणभोक्तृ च
निर्गुणं गुणभोक्तृ च
निर्गुणा गुणभोक्तृ च
असक्तं सर्वभृच्चैव
असक्तं सर्वभृच्चैव
निर्गुणं गुणभोक्तृ च
निर्गुणं गुणभोक्तृ च
सर्वेन्द्रियगुणाभासं
सर्वेन्द्रियगुणाभासं
सर्वेन्द्रियविवर्जितं
सर्वेन्द्रियविवर्जितम्
असक्तं सर्वभृच्चैव
असक्तं सर्वभृच्चैव
निर्गुणं गुणभोक्तृ च
निर्गुणं गुणभोक्तृ च
सर्वेन्द्रियगुणाभासं
सर्वेन्द्रियगुणाभासं
सर्वेन्द्रियविवर्जितं
सर्वेन्द्रियविवर्जितम्
असक्तं सर्वभृच्चैव
असक्तं सर्वभृच्चैव
निर्गुणं गुणभोक्तृ च
निर्गुणं गुणभोक्तृ च
Very good. You all
Mataji?
got it. Yes, Subhadra.
Actually, I can't find the Bhagavad Gitas.
I'm sorry.
I can't find the Bhagavad Gita.
Do you have your printout, beta?
No, because we ran out of ink.
Okay. Maybe do you want to open it on Vedabase if you're on computer?
Okay.
Okay, beta.
Okay, Mataji.
Okay. Okay. So we'll start verse 16.
Mataji,
Meantime,
which-
you recite after me.
Which text
Beta,
is it?
chapter 13, verse 16.
Okay.
Meantime, you recite with us. Okay. Keep speaking after me. Okay, beta.
Okay.
Okay. बहिरन्तश्च भूतानां
भूतायं
no भूतानां
भूतानां
बहिरन्तश्च
भूतानां
भूतानां बहिरन्तश्च भूतानां
बहिरन्तश्च भूतानाम्
अचरं चरमेव च
अचरं चरणमेव च
It's not charanam
एव
eva
च
cha, no. Charameva cha. We are joining, okay? Charameva cha. Acharam charameva cha.
अचरं चरणमेव च
Acharam charameva cha.
चरणमेव च
बहिरन्तश्च भूतानां अचरं चरमेव च.
अचरं चरणमेव च
Everybody please unmute themselves and please repeat after me, okay? And everybody can be on the video call. I prefer to see everybody. Thank you.
Mataji, did I freeze or anything?
What, beta?
Did I freeze?
Did I freeze?
Wait, just a second.
Okay.
Wait, am I frozen, Mataji?
No, you're not frozen. I can hear you clearly. Okay, beta?
Okay, thank you.
Sukshmatvad.
सूक्ष्मात्मा
Sorry. Sukshmatvat.
सूक्ष्मात्
Sukshmatvat.
सूक्ष्मात्
Sukshmatvat.
सूक्ष्मत्वात्
Sukshmatvat.
सूक्ष्मत्वात्
Sukshmatvat.
सूक्ष्मत्वात्
Tadavijneyam.
तद्विज्ञेयम्
तदविज्ञेयम्
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 सूक्ष्मत्वा तदविज्ञेयम्
सूक्ष्मतत्त्वा तदविज्ञेयम्
सूक्ष्मत्वा तदविज्ञेयम्
सूक्ष्मतत्त्वा तदविज्ञेयम्
सूक्ष्मत्वा तदविज्ञेयम् सूक्ष्मत्वा तदविज्ञेयम्
सूक्ष्मतत्त्वा तदविज्ञेयम्
सूक्ष्मत्वा तदविज्ञेयम्
सूक्ष्मतत्त्वा तदविज्ञेयम्
दूरस्थं yes
दूरस्थम्
Yeah, I don't see. Can you see the third line again?
which one beta so I'm joining the tad and then a together, so it will sound like tadavigyeyam, right? If you do not join, it will sound like tad avigyeyam. But when you join it, 1 minute beta, when you join it, it will sound like tadavigyeyam. If you look at the Devanagari script, right, you can see it says tadavigyeyam. Okay beta, yes, who was it?
Can Shubhadra say?
Yes, Subhadra.
Actually, when you go to the Vijnanam, it sounds like Sad.
It sounds like what?
It sounds, Mataji, actually it sounds like Sada Vijnanam. But it's
Okay.
actually Tada Vijnanam.
Yeah, it's actually tadavigyeyam.
Tada Vijnanam.
Durastham.
दूरस्थम्
Do you all see a line on top of you? Do you all see the line on top of you? So it becomes
Yes.
long U, long U. Durastham.
Dura.
Durastham.
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 दूरस्थम्
Kantike chatat. Cha. Kantike chatat.
Santike Chatat.
Kantike chatat. Kantike chatat.
शान्तिके
chatat.
शान्तिके
So actually, see, durastham. Durastham means far away. And then cha antike. Antike means near. Okay, tat means that. We discussed, right, that he's far away, but he's near also, right, to all of us, right? So durastham chantike chatat. Durastham chantike chatat. Sukshmatva tadavigyeyam.
सूक्ष्मत्वा तदविज्ञेयम्
Durastham chantike chatat.
दूरस्थं शान्तिके chatat.
Very good. Bahirantascha bhutanam.
बहिरन्तश्चभूतानाम्
Acharam charameva cha.
अचरमेव च
Sukshmatva tadavigyeyam.
सूक्ष्मत्वात्
Durastham chantike chatat.
दूरस्थं शान्तिके chatat.
Very good. So everybody ready for repetition quickly? Yes. Okay. Very good. So we're going to go on verse number 15 quickly. Everybody please unmute. There are lots of pots and pans noises in the background. I hope none of you are cooking in the kitchen.
Maybe
I'm
someone is making lots of noise.
Okay. So let's
looks like
avoid the
someone's
noises.
phone.
Sham, Gauranga, Anjaneya, Sanvi, Avani, everybody unmute. Please come on, okay? Please repeat
Okay.
after me. I want to hear everybody
Mataji.
clearly, okay?
Can you hear Shubhadra?
Yes, I can hear better. Yes. Verse number 15. 1, 2, 3.
Sarvendriya Indriya Gunam
Sarvendriya Gunam
1, 2, 3. Together.
Sarvendriya
Sarvendriya Gunabhasam
1, 2, 3.
Sarvendriya Gunabhasham Sarvendriya
One, two, three. Last time, everybody, loudly. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Verse number 16. 1, 2, 3.
Charam devacha
Very good. 1, 2, 3.
Charam
One, two, three. One, two, three.
Bahirantasya bhutyan
Last time, everybody. 1, 2, 3.
Bahirantasya
Good job. You all did amazing. I think everybody got these two verses. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Not
Very
complete.
nice.
Mataji, could you repeat the third line of this verse?
Sukshamatva tada vigyeyam. If you are used to say gna, you can say tada vigneyam. Okay.
Okay, Mataji.
Durastham chantike chatat. So sukshamatvat means what? You see, word suksha. Sukshamatvat means is subtle, right? On account of being subtle. Like we discussed other day. Can you all see your intelligence or false ego? Because that's subtle, right? So that's called as sukshamatvat. And then chara, achara, right? Not moving and moving. We discussed, right? So that's what it means. And avigyayam means unknowable, right? So this verse, I forgot to tell you all one thing, that you know, with our limited senses, we all cannot understand Krishna. We cannot know Krishna. Nobody can say, oh, I know Krishna all, right? Because Krishna is subtle, and more than that, he's inconceivable. He's beyond our senses. We cannot even think that far. Okay. Just to understand our own universe, 14 planetary system, it will take us forever to understand. what to talk about all universes, and then Krishna lie down, and then all the millions of universes comes out from his pores, right? From his body pores, right? It is very inconceivable. We cannot even think that far. So that is why it is also written unknowable. So thank you all so much. I am so amazed that you all learned 2 wonderful shlokas today. All of you, please continue to send your recordings. Verse number 15 and 16 should be separate, and verse 1 to 14 can be separate. And please do not forget to repeat these 2 verses at least 5 times today. If you all follow this process properly, without you all knowing, you all will automatically remember the whole chapter without putting any pressure. So just please follow the process, and I'll see you all tomorrow with the 2 new wonderful shlokas. Okay. So thank you all so much.
Bye.
It was nice to see you all. See you all again tomorrow. I love you all. And I'll miss
Hare
you
Krishna
all.
Mataji.